Oh, you know what? I forgot to do a adjustment, but it's fine. What's good, y'all? E60 stuff checking in. I got some goodies with me. Hopefully the camera's picking up. I can't really tell. But as I told y'all yesterday, I have some stuff coming from Amazon. Right now I got the grill and the struts with me. So we're about to set up my other camera and get that going. Hey, I could do it in here. I ain't gotta take the car out. So I was gonna start with the kidney grill, but now that I'm thinking, since I gotta prop the hood up, I might as well do this first. So put that there. I'm gonna set my camera up that I left inside. Bro, come on. I can't get right for shit. How the hell did I leave my phone inside? And you need a bath, seriously. Been slacking. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot kind of already what else I came back here for. Ooh, it's cold. What I come back here for? Well, I do need this. And this. Oh. It'll come back to me. Close this up for now. Oh, no spiders in my trunk. Okay. That's right. Today's the day. I won't be doing it like this anymore. Okay. I guess I should have pulled it outside. It's so dark in here. Alright, I just realized my doors sound like coupe doors. I remember when I had my Scion TC, doors was heavy as hell. Like they felt like real good quality. So when I closed them, it sounded real flush. And this one, I'm not this thing though. Alright, I'm not about to. Alright, here they are. I think that's what they did. They had a Phillips. And they popped it open. She got it right. Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, you tough. I didn't think you was gonna be that tough. Oh yeah, and it's dark too. Told you, we're gonna make it work. Ooh, this one gonna be tough though, cause I can't see for nothing. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if I did it right, which I should have, cause it's A, B, C, D. I fixed the hood. Yeah. Hey. That feels good. That feels real good. All right, let's go ahead and get these kidney grills next. Two.